Chingak chingiana ndo mwancho mulgerero Ndizi TV na buo bwansu bwo Gusii ngwege nano gendrete kwego ke kubwate mirobero nsige tasenie keiga ime ya Ndizi TV charagire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba chingak kingo kwariga ni SMS Amayia eri nkumanye una nara yana kwariga nire asenchera ereyo wekirano. Mwanche muri ringo kwarigania SMS ya Chinsa Ikomi eri ngumanya ina kwarigania senchera ereyo bwenga asensemo ya Facebook kendra gotonyarwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyarwetera Ndizi TV News na boigase website ito na bokoya somwetera www.ndizitv.net ire togendere gusanga asobwa meritariane Everlyne Osero Lydia Mose nereto kubatera na asensemo ye manyererio na boigo Sara Momanyi nero koine kyabuna chipicha neriogi chawikire asenchera ya bene ngokwarigania toya chake asenchera ya bene awase omukonyi gose umuraibe kyama kyawa ipaka Lonzo Musyoka haene gatia baraibande kurwase obumobwa azimio la umoja wa Kenya baba gukora itaro yabo ya mutukabere imejorogongo rwa Gusii abwase ritkulia lero baba wikirana sinsemo imeye county ya Kisii gokwana abo Chinsa Chiamambia asomo buganyo Kamel paka mona bari kyamangana Kalonzo nigabaga kumochia serikali ya Kenya kwanza insi buraiwe umuraibe nse Dr. William Samuel Ruto kubwatkana no kogendera kubentera ba Kenya egurube gati yabo o komenta kwebango nigono nyana bo hateba buna aba Kenya bange nigo bagendrete go chandikane abo konyora wainse asimo igabaga ukwanira igoro yoborendi ase county ya Kisii nena asomo governor we county ya Kisii nechinga kibo igabaga kwegerera obwamate ase obumobwa azimio la umoja wa Kenya nene singa kyumuraibe kyamekyo umuraibo obumobwa azimio Raila Amolo Odinga gochi yakogenda siganga yo kulie kirogo kyobonya kirogo ase kyombe kyobo mu Chinsa cha Africa AU askeri atere buna obo mu bwoti bori gochi watarnika kurene nigo barachiye gotigara bakogendera kubeke mirobere mekiranu yoko ene kyabuna mbogendere gotinga kigima.
We have to caution our fellow citizens against the excesses of this Kenya Kwanza regime. Determined, and they look so determined. We even see the headline news is that trying to have a plan for raising 16 trillion by adding more taxes. First of all, they are beginning, the KRA people are saying now from the 19th of March, leo tarehe ngapi? Kwanza 3 days, and they are giving only a lead time, unapatiwa 9 days to comply. Employer na remit 1.5% na kila mtu 1.5%, yani ni mupende musipende kind of mentality, even though the issues are still being canvassed in our course of justice. So we have shared these thoughts with the people of Kisii and people of Nyamira. We have also made it very clear that we are watching the security agencies in particular, because they have issued a direct threat against the life of Governor Simbarati. We made this very clear yesterday. And we're also saying Azimio is united. We are so focused, in fact, even more than ever before, because all we are saying is let our captain, our brother Raila Odinga, go on and get this seat. And we are all fully in support. We are praying for him. Even some of us know some of these dynamics. We are able to see what we can do. But that does not mean kwamba Azimio itasambaratika. On the contrary, the people, we realize kusambaratika kwa Azimio will mean dashing the hopes and aspirations of Kenyans who want to see nothing but justice in their country.
Abaraya bwase bono nigo bagendrete netaro yabo imeye county ya Migori kero bagendrete komochi yabono serikali kubwatkana nogo konga kubugima toska bosyo nigo ekyombe kya Dentist for Africa kubwatrana ne wodi ya Masige East inse yo MCA wodi yo Michael Mutume anigo bakore taro ikase skuru yo boroso ya Nyamaruma irigo semya borokiwa igoro yoboche nubumunwa anene okurinda amaino.
Asama lieta Michael Mutume omo MCO Masige East Ward Koruba Sub County. Rere tora se skuru ekoro kunyamaruma. Nyamaruma no wang omoiso we ward ya ito tobakaine na sameta mukwerero. Ase gucha. Etwale tale na leta abanyagitari bakuru Germany bakuru ase kyombeko kunga Dentist for Africa in collaboration na Christa Marian Hospital. Ebaichaga rero ngorigire libara abana ba grade 5 4 5 and 6 balibara ase skuru ya Nyamaruma asogotema kurigire their dental care bosa mainabo ngakia mainaba amete mechando kyabwate anengolika bali recommendation basikonyora abana bali babwate mechando asa mainabo ebakwarwali for free ero ebachasa abana boka ase umutinyoyo iga nabaleta base community bakabeka ekampu ase Kiobegi Hospital bakarwali abantu 216 abayiboli babana abayiga ande bagacha Kionyo Hospital asobana barwali abantu ange 191 abantu abonsi barwaliwa abandi mbabwate amaina abachoketa ayanda atakire kurusiwa abandi barwalete bakabarwali for free. So far ase Masige East twatore dental camps kirange 8 aso kurwali abantu baito basokotama kubashulikira amangana ya maino twaro abantu barusiwa maino rero igabanyagitari bange report
Asentre moyo kene kebuna oburendi wabiri bogotingiwa ase Chinsemo au anene gukora obosagani nabo igobosalia buna obwibwetugo niwo waziri boburendi bweme kidore kindiki agandrete omurobero bogokora etaro ase Chinsemo au anene kumerana naba busabo boburendi asukubeke mirobire mekranu iyo kubwatirana eriyo gotinya oburendi aseritkoria rero kindiki nigabira okora etaro ya imeye county ya Meru nabo igotara kaniti asabaga kumerana nabateneri besemo yoborendi ediyo gukwanira igoro yechinchera icho chiboneta kubwatwa asogotinga oborendi asichinsemecho. Nyoro manche mulire naso murobiro ibo kindiki agendrete kwene kiabuna obotumeki oborosia nabo igobonye bo marwa tanche iri bwabere bokoira Chinsemo au askiri atere buna egati yabantu abakonya marwa tanche iri babere bakubekwa byara kogendera nigo amori kyo monene ase kyombe geteneta abanyagitari mensi ya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union KMPDU Dr. Davi Atela aberega kwene kiabuna omugiro obwo abanyagitari ya Chinsemo au mensi ya Kenya nigora kogendera weka amagani yabo abeire kawikirani wago kwana amagega yo gutwara egekaro nabo bisakoro asesemo iyobo chenu ase serikali nigo datera teruna tibaikeretyo koigwana anaigo nigo barachie kobetererwa kogendereria umugiro asinonya nabo bagenderete ko mu muchumu waziri bobo chenu Susan Nakumicha.
The strike is still on as we discuss those things because as a union we only call strikes after meeting our National Advisory Council and having a return to work formula, which we don't have. So there's no any document showing that we've had agreement on any of the articles that we put there for as the notice of the strike, or as the strike notice so far.
As by the direction of the court, which said this whole nation approach should also look at issues that have become a problem over the years, what they call perennial grievances. So we have tasked that committee to not only categorize these 19 issues, arrange them in priority basis, which one will come first, which one is urgent, which ones can be done, like they are short term, which ones are long term, and we expect them to take a day tomorrow, or perhaps if they don't finish tomorrow, they
Nekero ababwatani b'edini y'Islamu bagenderete n'umuyegobo o iftar nigo abanogeri kurwase chibunge nene na boigo bunke ye Senator Mose wetangula na boigo Amason Kingi babere bakwarigania omuyego yo ase ababunge abaislamu asenchire ye moyo kwenekia bunango bekabare obwamate burubuya egatiabo nigatamukiro kyaberege kogokerwa mono ase okubulia kwabere gokuru uchiase ababwatani abonsi usaba chumbe bonsi kwene kiabuna baorokiri obwanchari na boigo obwamateburubya egati yabo obomo obwoko bawo kwa abaisilamu asiboigo baboliwe abaisilamu babere bakuboliwa gutumeka chinga kichiga cy'umuyega o cy'umutenyo iftari kwene kia abunango sabera bare ense ya Kenya elio morembe obego kwene kiwa na boigo obwamate egati yabarayibonsi.
We decided to call for this iftar in the understanding and appreciation that as a team of our Muslim brothers and sisters, you are an integral part of this society. Tuliahidi na our majority wetu kwamba the tensions that were there between our two houses must be part of our bad history.
Kwa wale ambao wako hapa na wale ambao hawako hapa ni kwamba tujipatie kongole kama Wakenya, kwa sababu japo nchi hii ina dini mbalimbali, lakini tumekuwa na ile tunaita tolerance of religion.
Na tunaomba iendelee hivi, na hata leo sisi tukiondoka na wengine pia waendelee. Hii ni nafasi kubwa ya nyinyi kurecognize Waislamu na sisi wenyewe tuweze kupatia uzito.
The Islam faith is a faith that signifies love for each other, unity and a strong bond of brotherhood. And many of us try to emulate you in many ways.
You are the first speaker to host a dignified iftar. And I always, when I meet the speaker, just to conclude, I tell the speaker, you have no any other constituency. Your constituency is this chamber.
Na kubatkana n'ubutyo bwabere bokorekana kubatkana nege kuri kyabetege koine kiwo mwakoeta aserina ni ya Shakaho Laime County ya Kilifi nigo bono ekyombege tobwene bwemwe abantu Kenya National Commission on Human Rights kyaberege kubwatuka oroboti kubwatkana n'umubaro bw'imibere y'abantu yabetege gutindo korwa serina niyo nakorengana oroboti ensemo yo burendi nigo yaberege kumuchiwa hasogotekerania emirimo yabo asenchera ebwenere nigo ababwatani korwa sekyombe kiyo yakwegerera bwana bomanya bantu babiri bakganiga tamukiro kyabene koimukirwa ase abobisa asekeri atibekeraneti ali abana inchi baganeti no nyamagega yechiroboti kwa ase bare kubwatikana noma egosine bikore bibe byumurandia Paul Mackenzie.
Lindi GK prison revealed that whereas Mackenzie had a mattress and a blanket, the rest of the suspects were sleeping on bare concrete floors with neither blankets nor mattresses. The prison authorities told the commission that the prison was facing various challenges, especially supplies, which explains why over 30% of the prisoners had no uniforms, mattresses, and blankets. To the Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, we recommend that he immediately orders the resumption of the pending exhumations to facilitate the conclusion of investigations and release of the bodies to their next of kin for burial and closure. 2, to bring to account all security officers and national administration officers whose acts of omission and commission abetted and aided the Shakahola massacre. Facilitate the survivors to regain their vital documents which were destroyed as a result of the indoctrination and radicalization. These include national identity cards, passports, birth certificates, title deeds, and academic and marriage certificates. To refrain from further victimizing the Shakahola massacre survivors by arresting and detaining them for presenting.
Mwanchi muri na raibona kwariganirite asemesema ye Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ere yubwinge kuri na mange tugenderete kwariganiria ne nabariki baito ayora achie kumanyi wasobikiranuye kuragense mona bayigo Chinsa isato chemogoroba nere Vincent Nyancha ekabara bwatrane nere captain 001 asense merie ye chigosori anene yakirotoro chebuna umukonyi bumurai wense rigathi gashawa amwaziri bechsemi Ezekiel machowigatia baraibandi ngo baba kwenekia ugo chaki waku murubirio bweri chiko lyokoye gwari bagari tangani amasomo imensi ya Kenya murubirio korekana se amagacho yemisangirekano KICC ime yomuchu Nairobi kurenda yomnanda mange no yanyore ase MS Amayia ale ase Chinsa chirebosio uno mancho murigeri asensemo ya Facebook kendra gotonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube gotonyoro wetra Ndizi TV News ase website ito naboko ya somo wetra www.ndizitv.net ero togendre gusanga asubwamo ero tariane Everlyne Osero Lydia Mose nero twabatra na sensemo ye bimenyerero nabo igosara Momanyi nero eneke achibicha nero gicha wikere asentre yabene ekerongo kuganeria uburigere rwo rubi yasemirubire kubatya nabo igo emagoroba erenterero